In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a meeting in HubSpot CRM. This is a handy skill to master if you're managing customer relationships and want to keep an accurate record of your interactions. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL, or just search for HubSpot in your preferred search engine. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button, usually located in the upper right hand corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. As you do this, make sure you enter the correct information to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the HubSpot home screen. This is the central hub where you can access all the essential tools HubSpot has to offer. Now let's navigate towards the CRM by looking for and clicking on the CRM icon. It's generally prominently displayed on the navigation menu, making it easy to spot. Next, when you're in the CRM section, head over to the Contacts tab. This is where you'll find all the contact information of clients, partners, or any stakeholders you interact with. Clicking on this will direct you to a list of all your contacts. Here, you should scroll through or use the search feature if you have a long list to find the contact you'd like to log a meeting for. Upon selecting a contact, you'll be taken to their detailed profile page, which displays all the information and activities related to that person. This is the place where you can view previous meetings, notes, emails, and more, giving you a comprehensive view of your relationship with them. Now look for the three-dot icon. This is the options menu and usually sits somewhere near the top of the profile page. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for actions you can take related to this contact. In this options menu, you'll find the log a meeting option. Click on it and it will open a new interface where you can fill in the details of your meeting. Here, you can include information like the meeting date, time, location, attendees, and a brief summary of what was discussed. It's important to be thorough here, as this will help when you review past interactions. And that's it. Once you've entered all the necessary details, hit save, and your meeting will be logged in the system. You can always come back to this contact's profile later to view or edit the meeting information if needed. By logging meetings consistently, you maintain a well-organized record of your business interactions, which can be crucial for future reference and ongoing business relationships. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your CRM activities more efficiently.